Good Wednesday afternoon to you. Chief Meteorologist Richard Scott. Here's your forecast update. Starting to get a little more concerned about the severe weather risk on Thursday. Some of our latest forecast models bumping up those parameters for severe weather. So let's check out things. First off, no issues out there on this Wednesday. The atmosphere is capped off, so we're not going to have any problems with showers and thunderstorms, at least anything organized today or tonight. But we got a south wind straight off the Gulf of Mexico. If you notice the clouds across Mississippi, Louisiana, and Alabama, those are moving right off the Gulf. That's that low-level flow off the Gulf. That means moisture and heat is increasing. That also means instability will be increasing. The storm system does move our way. Put things into futurecast mode and check things out now as we go into the day on Thursday. Starting off early Thursday morning, there could be a few showers around, but I don't expect a big deal in terms of rainfall early on Thursday, especially no severe weather issues early on Thursday. Now, as we go throughout the day on Thursdays, instability does increase. Thunderstorms move in. Here's 2:30 p.m. This is basically after the noontime hours. Some storms will be severe at that point, and damaging straight-line winds, tornadoes, and large hail also going to be a concern with those storms Thursday afternoon. That continues to slowly progress eastward through Thursday evening. And notice the time frame is slower quite a bit. That means that this is a setup where we're going to have a little more fuel for the thunderstorms to have that peak heating. Almost perfect timing for stronger storms to deal with across Alabama. So again, that's Thursday evening into Thursday night. Storms start to move out by 11 o'clock. Storms should be pretty much out of here. There could be still some rain and thunderstorm activity in far east Alabama. As for the time frame and the risk area, we're talking about primarily west Alabama, really from Coleman, Birmingham, Clanton points west, the highest chance for severe weather. Now, that's not a high risk of severe weather. That's just where there's a higher chance for severe thunderstorms. That includes a chance for tornadoes, damaging straight-line winds up to 70 miles per hour, and the more intense storms also could produce golf ball-size hail. Flooding is going to be a low risk with that, although we'll keep an eye on some of those stronger storms if they train over the same areas. There could be some isolated flooding in patches. Now, for East Alabama, you're in a risk of severe weather, but it's going to be a lower risk. There could be a tornado for places like Gadsden, Anniston, Sylacauga over towards Goodwater and Lineville. The chance for widespread severe weather is going to be a bit lower the further east you go. Winds up to 60 miles per hour, some of the stronger storms, maybe quarter-size hail, but flooding is unlikely for East Alabama. Check it out in terms of the types of severe weather. Tornado, hail, and wind in the moderate category with this event. Flooding unlikely. We got in the low category. Understand there could be a couple of pockets that get a little more rain that could have some quick flooding, but that should not be widespread. We'll keep an eye on radar trends. Here's our forecast model rain projections, and understand this is a computer model estimate. Doesn't mean you're going to see exactly that much rain in your area, but generally speaking, we're looking at about a half inch to possibly as much as 2 inches on the high side of some of those stronger storms. So severe storms on Thursday, Friday we go dry. Saturday really looking nice. Start off Easter Sunday weekend. Easter Sunday though is looking rather wet at times. Most are forecast models suggesting some rain at times. Sunday will top out to 70. So it will be a warm Easter weekend. Monday rain moves out pretty fast.